I am meeting one of my subscribers today, and we are waiting for him to arrive any moment here, and we're going to perform a suspension lift on his 4Runner. Evan had reached out to me after watching my 4Runner suspension video. He said that he had planned on doing something similar to his 4Runner and wanted to know if I was available to give a hand. Since he lived locally, we set up a day and we got to work. This is a 2020 TRD Off-Road Premium, and he was upgrading to 285 tires the next day. We have the Bilstein 6112s for the front. These are all set for a 3-inch lift. These are the OME rear springs, and that's going to be set for a 2-inch lift. And then we're doing the Bilstein 5160s on the rear with the reservoirs. If this is something that you want to do yourself, I've done a step-by-step video on this exact suspension. I'm going to put a link at the end of this video, and I will also put links to those videos in the description below. Stick around till the end of the video because we're going to be doing a walk around and show you some before and after shots of this particular lift. I'll also be showing some video of the upgrade on the suspension after he got the 285 tires installed as well.